here. Mate, you're not gonna do it like that. You're gonna have to Superman punch it, Adam. Oh! In the net! Please tell me you filmed that. That was quality.
Oh, fucking hell, this is killing my fucking hand and wrist.
Don't bleed in my glove.
It's not gonna fucking happen.
Really smack it.
Elbow or something.
Oh, what? Oh, look, that elbow was just...
You have to elbow with your left arm, try that.
I can't, my fucking hand.
Dude, when you elbow...
I don't intend on elbowing
Well, I know,
someone
but
in real
last time
life.
you went like this, like you were chicken winging it. No, I didn't mind that.
Just hit it with a flurry, put the other gloves on and just give it a fucking combo. Like math, not necessarily hard. I just want to make your montage training video. Jump up and down, act like pumped as well. So I can have a start to my
You're gonna
video.
get psyched up! Let me get the... Yeah! Let me get the fucking gloves on first.
Give me a second, I'm gonna get your music as well.
Isn't that? I'm gonna volume over it anyway.
Yeah, fucking turn it off again. Come on! The fuck did you...
Oh no.
Oh, it came out.
Oh, Lucas. You fucking